Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 beverage merchandiser refrigerators of 2026. If you're looking to upgrade your cooling solutions for home, shop, or bar, we've got some exciting options for you. Let's get started. First up, we have the VEVOR commercial merchandiser refrigerator. With a capacity of 6.9 cubic feet, this glass door display fridge is perfect for smaller spaces. It features 4 adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the layout to fit your beverages. The soft LED light illuminates your drinks, making them more appealing to customers. The casters make it easy to move, whether you're in a home, shop, or bar. However, it has a rating of 2.6 out of 5, reflecting some mixed reviews on durability. Priced at $476.77, it's a budget-friendly option for those starting out. Next is the BODEGACOOLER 35.4 Cu.Ft commercial beverage fridge. This impressive unit features 2 doors and 8 adjustable shelves, providing ample space for your products. With a temperature range of 34 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it keeps beverages perfectly chilled. The built-in LED light enhances visibility, making it easy for customers to browse. Rated 4 out of 5, it's a solid choice for shops and supermarkets, priced at $1,899.99. Its robust design ensures it can handle high foot traffic seamlessly. Coming in at number 3, we have the PremiumLevella PRF90DX glass door display refrigerator. This 9.0 cubic feet cooler combines functionality with style, featuring a customizable light box for branding or promotions. Its sleek silver design fits well in any environment, whether a bar or a retail setting. Rated at 4.2 out of 5, it's praised for its energy efficiency and performance. Listed at $849, it offers a great balance between capacity and energy savings, making it a smart choice for business owners. The BODEGA BODEGACOOLER 12.5 Cu.Ft upright commercial beverage refrigerator takes our 4th spot. This large glass door display cooler is Energy Star rated, making it a cost-effective option for long-term use. It features soft LED lighting and adjustable shelves, enhancing product visibility. With a rating of 4.2 out of 5 and a price point of $979.99, it is well regarded for its reliability and performance, perfect for busy bars and restaurants. Finally, we have the commercial beverage refrigerator with glass door, boasting an 11 Cu.Ft capacity. With a perfect rating of 5 out of 5, this upright display fridge is a top performer in terms of cooling and energy efficiency. It features removable shelves for easy cleaning and a soft LED light for better product display. Priced at $889, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their beverage display while maintaining high aesthetics. That wraps up our list of the top 5 beverage merchandiser refrigerators of 2026. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and check the links in the description for more details on each product.